dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Hopefully y'all stay safe out there during this corona crisis. Today we go to a special project. A neighbor of ours is going to immigrate to sunny Asia, and he has an 81 Corvette stored for over 30 years, from 1990 and on. We got the tools in the back. Let's head on there and try if she was going to fire up and if we get her here. Okay guys, so here she is, the 81 Chevrolet Corvette. As you can see, it's a lot of mess here. So the first thing that we need to do is get all the rocks off, all the extra parts and shoes what's laying on top, and see the diamond underneath. Okay guys, so she finally sees daylight after a couple of years being stored in this lovely barn. I don't know really what type of Corvette this is, but I think there's a lot of Corvette people who do know if it's a special one. My neighbor told me that it has a turbo, but he doesn't know if it came original from the factory or not. But it's kind of junk here, so she needs to run to get her out of this crazy barn. So we got a brand new battery. I think what we now need to do is check if the engine is not frozen or anything, and then try if she spins around, and then eventually if she will start. Interior is in spectacular condition. Of course there's a little bit mold here and there, but what did you expect after sitting for so long? Underneath the seat covers, there's perfect seating, perfect interior, nothing ripped or anything. So that's a perfect view. This is the other side, guys. Also underneath the seat cover, it's in immaculate condition. Perfect. Also the dash, no cracks or anything. Little turbo meter also there. Okay guys, here she is, the 5.7 liter V8 with the turbo, guys. I think sitting for so long doesn't help, doesn't prevent your belt from snapping. Okay guys, I think what we're going to do is put the battery in, check if she will turn over after such a long time. Also we're going to check the fluids and everything, if there's still oil in it or not. So let's go. So we are currently checking if the engine is not frozen or anything. And actually with all the spark plugs in, she will turn over. So that's a good sign. Okay guys, we got the battery installed, and as you can hear, we got something going on with the antenna. The motor still wants to go down and up and down and up, so that's something that we need to check. But first we will see if she wants to turn over. She's turning over. maybe she needs a little bit of help. So what we're going to do is fill a little bit petrol inside and see if she wants to fire up.
Guys, she fired up.
Okay guys, she fired up. But we now have to check carefully if there are no mice or anything else laying on the exhaust or something, because she was smoking pretty hard. We're going to start it up for the second time. She's running very nicely. Oil pressure is good. Yeah, of course no battery because the driving belt through the alternator is gone. She's a bit smoky, guys, because all of the old debris that's still laying on the exhaust, and also with filling the oil we also spilled a little bit of oil, so that's why she's also smoking a bit. I think what's now left to do is get rid of all that mess, fill up the tires with air so we can get her out. So we stopped by at the house to get something to eat and get our compressor for compressed air so we can fill up those tires. Amazing, guys. Okay, so it was like 2.5 hours of work, but finally, guys, we got her out of the garage. guys, so it was kind of a hassle moving all kinds of cars, big cars and a small car, but she's finally here. That's a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like our videos and for more of these kind of builds, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And make sure that your post notifications are on as well.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.